और रेजिम जो तकरीर पेश फरमाएंगे मोहम्मद हारिस तशरीफ लाएं।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला नबिय्यि मुहम्मदिन सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमाइन। May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wa Amma Nawalahu says in the Holy Quran, Al-yawma akmaltu lakum deenakum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum al-Islam deena. Today I have perfected your religion for you and have complete my blessings upon you and chosen Islam as religion and a way of life for you. Nowadays, it is a general question arising in mind which thinks something about this modern age, the age of science and technology, the age of invention and discoveries. The question is, what is relation between Islam and science? What is an Islamic approach to science? And does Islam have any harmony with the modern science? Dear audience, first of all, it is necessary to clarify that Islam is the eternal and perfect religion of Allah. It is in a complete harmony with the human nature, so it can never be in contrary to the laws of nature. Its teaching and doctrines can run with the ups and downs of every age. Its basic rules and fundamental doctrines cannot accept any change. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wa Amma Nawaluhu has perfected it and regarded it as the favorite religion forever. As he said, Inna ad-deena 'inda Allahi al-Islam. Truly, the recognized religion in the sight of Allah is Islam. On the other hand, science is a systematical study and knowledge of natural and physical phenomena. It is a developing and growing process. It accepts change and incorporates modifications. Once it proves something, while on the other occasion it rejects it and claims something else. Dear audience, it should be also noted science is of two types. First is experimental. It comprises experiment and experience. The second type consists of theories and concepts. The first type, experimental science, is in complete harmony with Islam. It does not go against Islam in any way. Rather, it has proved Islamic teaching and concepts with its discoveries and inventions, like science of medicine, agriculture, and so on. We should not mind if science finds any fault in Islam. In fact, science should not play any part to increase our iman. We should strongly believe the truth lies only in what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wa Amma Nawaluhu and His Messenger, Allah bless him and give him peace, have said. The Holy Quran says, وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ حَدِيثًا وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ قِيلًا. Who is more truthful in his word than Allah? وَآخِرُ دَعْوَانَا أَنِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ.